This video is to show you how to create a Zoom link for a new match that you made manually. So hopefully we're not doing too much of this, but if you ever do need to manually create a one-on-one class, there is the option to add a Zoom link to it. So the important thing is to remember, I just did this. I just went to create class and I popped in all the information. This checkbox is going to be really important. You have to check that it's going to be a Zoom class. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the Zoom calendar functionality. So once you have that, you go ahead and click the Zoom calendar button, and it'll pull up this option where it shows you the day and time that the class has been created for, and you just click Create Meeting Records. And it'll go ahead and plug in the Zoom links um, to the class. If you want to go back to the class, you would then refresh it, and you should see a record of those Zoom links being scheduled down here. This should automate an email, so they'll be able to have that information. And if you ever need to access the Zoom link, you would just click into the Zoom meeting and you'll see all the details here that you could always send them. And that's it.